Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel bringing you a condition walk around video today on this 1999 Toyota 4Runner Limited. We're downtown Kansas City in the West Bottoms. It looks like we're about to get poured on, so this video might happen, it might stop. We're figuring out the 99 4Runner Limited Southern truck, Southern title, white on tan leather, 4-wheel drive. You know we love these things, guys. You always see them pop up on our channel next to the diesel trucks. This one is a great one. 182,844 miles. Fires right up. V6. No check engine lights. No problems. All the good options. Wood grain. Pioneer head unit. Cold AC. Power slider in the rear that works. 4-wheel drive, and it has the diff locker switch. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power everything, keyless entry, tweeters on the door, tinted windows. It is a sunroof truck, and the sunroof does tilt and slide. I mean, for 21 years old, this thing checks out. I mean, it's cool. It's loaded with all the good options. Sunglass holder actually still comes in handy. One of the few options left from the 99s. We had the seat bottoms redone. As you can tell, that's slightly off because that's been worn. That's new leather. Driver's one, seat bottoms new too. All in all, I don't have a lot bad to say about the inside here. Not a lot at all. Let me get out, give you a better look. Driver's seat. One of the power options is missing. It's a little trim there. Still functions and everything, but it's 21 years old, so you might hear me say that a few times in this video. I apologize. I'm just kind of pointing stuff out. So yeah, super cool. Let's get under the hood. I'm trying to beat this rain, guys, so I might be going a little quicker today, and this one is tricky to open up. Give me a sec here. All right. Still going here. Lost my phone for a second there. Clean under the hood. Valve covers were replaced. We put a new battery in it. We went through it pretty thoroughly, suspension and all, like we always do. This was on here when we bought it. Timing belt, water pump, done at 153. So that means there's about 30,000 miles, roughly about 29 on this setup. It's not chattery. It sounds great. It doesn't misfire. It doesn't do anything weird. I mean, as far as mechanical condition, I mean, it's 21 years old, but it runs great. It doesn't leak anything. It did have leaky valve covers when we bought it, so there's some residual. We cleaned most of it up, but just telling you guys. Dismount the hood here. It's the old latch system. So first thing here, we got a cool brush guard made by Manic. Just your basic little brush guard, headlight protector, and we do have an aftermarket roof rack. And I'm not positive which one it is. I believe it's the roof rack. Somewhere in like the 40 mile an hour, you start hearing like wind whistle. It's not the truck. It goes away. You don't hear it on the highway. You don't hear it when you're cruising around 30 miles an hour. But somewhere in that 45-ish, I think it's that roof rack, cuts through wind and makes a weird wind noise. So 21-year-old bumper, so you will see some paint fading, and it came out of the south. So the paint is not perfect on that steel there. It oxidizes. It's not rusting there, but it is oxidized. We're leveled up here, and we're on a rough country one-piece coil shock level kit. And as you can see, we didn't do it. It's been on there. We did put new control arms on the bottom there and service the entire suspension on this truck, like we all do in good fashion. As you can see, the new components. But the leveling kit was on it, the brush guard, everything you see. All we did was do the service on this one. Someone had this one dressed up nice with the white and silver color combo. We've got a slightly large tire too. What are we running? A 265 75 16, which is a 33 for this 16-inch wheel. They're all terrain tires. They got great tread. I'd say 3/4, more than half for sure. Good rubbers, good 33s. We tinted the windows up. You got some scuffage right there. I'm going to try to go through this paint as nicely as I can. Not a lot terrible to report. You've seen some scratches down here. See those? Those are way down there on the bottom of that door there. Actually on that running board there. A little bit of paint scratch from the door hitting it. Normal stuff for older vehicles. The tape has kind of lost its color there. It's brown. You see some light staining. It's kind of actually in the paint there. It's dirt. Probably could be buffed out. All the VINs are original on it. It has a little rear AC control, little cubby, high-low fan, cup holder. As you can see, there's some yellow crayon stuff there. We'll try to clean that up. We must have missed that. Oh yeah, I was going to pop the seat up too. You guys know these seats come up pretty easy, so I was going to show you one here. No surprises, nice and clean down there. Doesn't look like it's ever been lifted. Got power on the hatch, and we do have the spoiler. You can see that right there. Cool little option. There's a test for the rust, guys. That always shows moisture when it packs salt up in there. None. Factory floor mat, factory carpet is flawless in that thing. Floor mat's seen better days. It's done its job though. We got some FJ cruiser mats that came with it and the spare tire tool. It does have the big hitch on it and a spare. Hitch looks nice. Truck is not rust free. As we can see here, there is some rust. But as you continue down, it is extremely nice. But we're going to be going through that here. Couple of rock chips in the bumper here. I think that I missed it. I walked by and there's a couple on this one too down low. You can see by the mud flag there. Same over here. A couple minor scuffs there. Pretty quiet little 4Runner, I'll tell you what. Let's take a look underneath and see what we see here. Very clean. Ain't perfect. Still 21 years old, but that was very clean and nice for what these typically are. And I should go back and do the other side. Sorry guys, it's I'm battling this rain. It's getting chilly and I think it's coming, so I'm trying to get through the whole thing. That's a nice frame though. And there's some surface rust. I'm not denying that. It's been on the road 21 years and it's been driven. But it's nice. The welds are nice. There's no rust right there where there always is on these things. Passenger seat has power both ways. Like I said, that seat bottom is what we had replaced, and this side piece, because they just kind of ripped and torn from the 21-year thing. Oh, we do have the power outlets down here. I didn't go over that. Dual chargers. Got the radio remote in there. That's pretty much it, guys. Not much more to show you. The thing runs and drives pretty dang good for what it is. We've gone through the service. It's been inspected and everything, so we have a clean title in hand. Head on over to 816diesel.com. On the website, you're going to find pictures, VIN number, pricing, all the questions. Everything I covered today will be listed on there if it's still for sale. If you show up on the website and it's not for sale, well, we sold it. So 816diesel.com. On there you also find my phone number. My name's Cameron. 913-735-3748. Call or text me. That's my cell. If you want to come check it out, make an appointment, any questions, that's the number to get a hold of me. We look forward to hearing from you, and you guys probably think I'm full of it, and I'm just telling you this because I got people calling me out on the channel saying we're not even real, we don't even sell these trucks. We typically sell these 4Runners in 24 to 96 hours. So posting this today, Monday, and and I'm sure this truck will probably be sold by Friday. But the videos stay up here. Guys like to know about the mods that we've done to them, what we're doing to them, how they look, so we leave the videos up. It's not to tease you guys. They are for sale, but we're good at what we do, so we sell them quick. But I appreciate you tuning in. Like and subscribe. If you have any questions, give me a holler. And thanks again for your time, guys.